Hey guys, Jay here from Storage Rack Solutions. Thanks for buying your bench in a box product from us. We really appreciate it. And just on the workbench here, I wanted to show you what you're going to receive when you get your product. So if you've ordered the smalls, 2 of those come in a box, fully assembled. If you've ordered the medium, which again I think makes a great table crossover as well, it's going to come fully assembled like that. Pull it out, ready to go. And if you've ordered the large, there's a little bit of assembly. It's really easy. There's 4 things you've got to assemble, and I want to take you through that real quick so you can follow along at home when you receive your larger unit. Okay, so here we go. Let's pull it out of the box. This is what you see right here. This is how it'll be packaged. There's going to be a little baggie with 22 little screws in there and your instructions and warranty paper. All you're going to need is a cordless drill with a square or Robinson number 2 bit. Okay, so let's pull this stuff out. There's 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3, and 4. So keep the bench upside down. That's the easiest way to do this. And the first, we're going to start with number 1. There's number 1, number 1, and number 1. There's your foot. So the foot just sits on top like this, and you just line up your little lines. 1, 1, 1, 1. Pretty simple. Let me just get my screw thread in and let me attach that. Now we have to do a little bit of assembly with the large unit just because our shipping requirements, in order to get reasonable shipping rates, we have to keep the product within a certain dimensional size. And it just so happened this is just a little too big, so we had to take those legs off. But you'll see how easy this is. We just hold that in place. Hold it nice and tight. There we go. Now, you're going to notice that this is all pre-drilled, but the backer in behind isn't. So you've got to hold it tight and force that screw to find a nice home into that fresh material and at maximum bite. Hold it tight. Okay, there's 1. Now to make it easy, I'm just going to spin this around so you can see. There's our number 2. Okay, I'll get a screw ready. Okay, here we go. Again, line up those lines, hold it real tight, force that screw into the new material, and snug it up. Don't over tighten it, just snug it up. There you go. See it tighten up right at the end? Perfect. And 1 more. Okay, so there's the feet. So 1, 2, now we're on to number 3. So let's find number 3. Okay, there's number 3. This is what it looks like when you get it. And what you want to do, it's really simple. We leave 1 screw in. You're going to pivot it straight. Set it on a flat surface. Make sure that's nice and vertical. You can tell it's vertical. Just make sure we're not sitting on a goofy angle like this. It won't really allow you. So if you sit on a flat surface, there's just the bottom screw. Tighten that up. The other one is okay, so there we go. Spin that around. Number 3 goes with number 3. See that right there? Number 3, number 3. So we're going to put the 3 and the 3 together. You want that lined up so that it sits. You don't want it offset to one side or another. It should sit right perfect on that crosser. I'm going to hold it in place, and over here, let's see. One more. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to move down to the end here. There and there. 2 down at this end. Perfect. And 1 more. Spin it around. And the last one. So again, twist that open. Number 4. Take number 4, place it right in there, just like we did on the other side. Line that up. I didn't do this one on the table, but it works just as good. You'll see. What is going on? Okay, hold on. So this. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Okay, 2 more. Almost there. Okay, just double check. Done. That's it. There you go. There's your large bench. All done. Simple as that. So again, thanks for purchasing from us. If you have any questions, feel free to email us or drop us a line anytime. Thanks again.